Hello, my name is Anton Egan, and I will be explaining Newton's law of cooling for pre-calculus students. So, what exactly is Newton's law of cooling? Newton's law of cooling is an equation that can be used to find how much time has passed from an object's initial temperature and its current temperature. This is the equation for Newton's law of cooling. Capital T of lowercase t equals temperature of the object, lowercase t equals time, T of S equals temperature of the surroundings, T of O equals starting temperature of the object, and K equals a cooling constant. So let's do an example. A pot of soup starts at a temperature of 373 kelvins and the surrounding temperature is 293 kelvins. If the cooling constant is K equals 0.00151 over a second, what would the temperature of the pot of soup be after 20 minutes? The first step is to convert the minutes into seconds. So 20 minutes times 60 seconds over 1 minute equals 1200 seconds. Next, we input the values into the equation. So T of 1200 seconds equals 293 kelvins plus 373 kelvins minus 293 kelvins times e to that. The next step is to complete the process of PEMDAS. So we start off with the parentheses. 373 kelvins minus 293 kelvins equals 80 kelvins. And then we simplify the exponent of e, and we get negative 1.8. Finally, we solve. So e to the negative 1.8 power gives you 0.1653. Multiply that to 80 kelvins and you get 13.224 Kelvin. Add that to 293 kelvins and you get 306.224 Kelvin. The answer to the example would be the soup's temperature would be about 306 kelvins after 20 minutes. So to recap, first you have to identify your variables and what they are. You plug them in, then you solve. Okay, now you try. Here's a practice question I came up with. A turkey has a starting temperature of 422 kelvins after exiting an oven. The temperature of the room is 297 kelvins. If there's a cooling constant of K equals 0.002, what will be the temperature of the turkey after 25 minutes? Thank you for watching and listening, and here's credits to Anton Egan, music by Post Malone, and I guess Powtunes.